So I'm currently behind the wheel of the 2021 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited Rubicon 392, and I wanted to take a moment to showcase how to swap out the battery in your key fob should you need to do so. So grab your key fob battery, down low where the keychain attachment can connect, locate the spot right here where my thumb is. You're gonna need a flathead of some kind, flathead screwdriver or something. I'm just gonna use my trusty little titanium bit. So grab your flathead and put it right in that spot, and then twist up or down, should you. Then you're gonna kind of pop it around the key. Just be gentle, it's plastic. Also take note of where the alarm button is, so you don't accidentally freak out your neighbors or wherever you are swapping out the battery. You're gonna kind of do this all the way around the key until you kind of get most of the plastic off to pop out. There you go. There we go. And just put the piece that says Jeep to the side, and that's going to reveal where the battery actually is. So as you can see, it's a CR2450 battery. Now to get this out, you can use your fingernail, you can use the same flat bit. Just get it in there and pop it out, and don't worry about your fingerprints touching the battery that's in there. But when you replace this battery with a new battery, try not to put your fingerprints on the side that does not say Panasonic or whatever brand you purchase. I will have a link in the description if you need to purchase one of these batteries. You can quickly get it from Amazon, but just try not to touch the other side because it kind of limits the life of the battery with the oils on your fingers. But pretend you swap the battery back in, and then you're just going to kind of clamshell it all back together. Again, take note of where the alarm button is, and then you are done. You will not have to key the battery to your car or anything like that. The key will remember. I hope this showed you how to replace the battery in your Jeep Wrangler Unlimited Rubicon key fob battery. Thanks for watching.